What's going on out there, good people? It is your boy Look Around with LMD Trading, and we are coming at you today with another daily trade review. As you can see, we are the one-eyed bandit today. Had cataract surgery this morning, so bright and early over at the surgery center, getting this cataract removed. And got back home around 10 o'clock. I didn't do what the doctor told me to do and set my butt down somewhere. I guess I did sit my butt down somewhere. I set my butt down in front of my computer and looking at the market, seeing what it was doing, and decided to get into some trades. So ended up taking a few trades right when I got home. Those three were green. And then I laid down because they actually put me under. I didn't think they were going to do that. Everything I've read, they say that they just give you some numbing drops and give you some local anesthesia at your eye. This is the second surgery I've had on this eye. And both times they've told me, yeah, it's going to be local. You'll be awake while it's going on. Nah, I guess they saw something in my face that was like, knock this dude out. So they put me under, and I am still a little woozy. 12 hours later, dang. But let's go ahead. Let's jump into TRADERVUE. Reviewing trades for Monday, August 8th. We took 10 trades today. Close P&L 156.10. Good solid morning. First three trades green. First three trades, decent. And then stepped away, laid down on the couch for a little while, got back up about an hour later, had the bright idea to continue trading. First trade out the box was ugly with a capital U, capital Y. U being me, Y being, why the heck did I take it? I did record my trades this first three, but I went back and looked at it. One, I didn't really adjust the charts the way they needed to be adjusted. And then two, I didn't have private turned on, and I was moving stops, and it got my account number all over the place. So I don't want to have to go through and blur it. So we're just going to take a peek at these real quick. Maybe just the first four. We'll look at the first four of them. I did some horrible trading, but it was another green day. Kind of been doing that frequently. This was the first trade I took. Decent little entry. Looking at the 2 minute, you put the stop down there. This thing never stopped us out, and it ripped. Look at the 5, same thing. You getting in off the 5, you put the stop down there. Never stops us out. Rip. We made 1125. Max unrealized was 27. 125 shares. We had a 40-cent stop on this thing, and we didn't let it work. This is becoming all too familiar. All too familiar. Let's take a peek at Lyft real quick. Lyft, we got 1 R out of it. Let's look at the chart though. Okay, this was a short. Let's see, Lyft just gave up the ghost. Got in a little late on this. Nah, we come over here to the 2 minute. 2 minute looks a little bit better. Getting in right here. Nice flush. This is a nice flush. Risking $25 on this trade, and we made target. So that was a good trade. Actually, it had max unrealized of 63. So this one, we had set our stop at the target, and we were moving our target down, trying to see if we can get a little bit more money. And you see what happened. It just came and curled right back up, hit the stop, kept going. So That's a good trade. Good solid trade there on lift. Let's take a peek at the next MAR trade. This is another one we didn't let work, y'all. At least to get 1 hour out of it. Not the best entry looking at either of these charts. We see that it came up, pulled back, using this area as support, which is not bad. And then we got this little breakout. Put the getting entry right there. Stop probably would have wanted to be either under that one or under this one. And expectation is only going to be the right there. Look where it came to. That's expectation. So we didn't even let this thing work to expectation, and it would have gave us 1 hour if we had to stop down there. Looking at the 5 minute, 5 minutes showing you the same thing, only you just getting in on that candle. Stop is at the bottom of that candle. This possibly could have went 2 hour based on that candle. Let's see what our stop was. We bought 250 shares. It's a tight stop. 250 shares is a 20-cent stop. Let's see. Let's do some numbers. 20-cent stop. We got in at 160.67. 20-cent stop means that we need to go 161.07. That's 161 right there. 07 is just going to be up in there somewhere. And this one would have hit target 2. I did text Evan just to see if he had taken any trades. And at that time I had made like 80 something bucks. And I told him, man, I made 85 bucks, but I think I left about 300 on the table. Really left 250 because we made the 50 there. That should have been $100. That should have been $100. So it should have been a $250 hour right there. Those 3 trades. And then laid down, came back. We're just going to review this one. I need to go get me a little rest. And actually, I do need to get out of my shop later on tonight. So I need to rest up a little bit. But you just saw we was looking at MAR. You want to see the epitome of an ugly trade. Come on, here we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's look at this one real quick and I'm gonna call it. But MAR opened nicely. Look at this thing on the 5 minute. Hopefully somebody caught this. Nice little wide range, kind of just chopping around, consolidating. But look at that. You get in right there as it breaks these 2 candles. You put the stop down there. You do the math on whatever the range of that candle is. Divide your risk level by whatever this number is. And this thing rips to your target. If you don't get that one, you get this little consolidating area right here. This is what Jared calls a shakeout candle. Imagine if you had got in right here, putting your stop right there. You're thinking you're good. You're getting another little small candle right there. And then this one here comes, wham, stops you out. And then takes off. So had a chance to get in right there, putting the stop there. Because this is telling you that the bulls still want a piece of this. This candle is telling you that the bulls still want a piece of this trade. Goes up, pulls back, goes, and it does not set a new high. It sets a M top. Comes down. This is that area that y'all always hear me like to say is getting heavy. Let's look at it on the 15 real quick. Like it better on the 5. Like it better on the 5. But when this breaks this point right here, this is going down. And it's probably going to go down to this little area right here. It's going to catch a little flack here. It's going to catch a little flack on each one of these that it started on. But then it's coming down to right there. This thing came all the way down. Halfway pullback. You get a retracement halfway of this candle, of this series of candles. Coming to this area right here. So that's a good pivot point. You know what you buy right here? A short to go lower. VWAP might give you some areas of concern, but you buy this to continue lower. It has not really changed on the 5 minute. You don't have a transition where it's changing from a uptrend, but you do get this M. You get this pullback to halfway right at this pivot. You look at it on the 2 minute, you do get some lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So you do get a few mixed up in this move, but I went long. That green dot means that the trade was supposed to go this way. This was supposed to be a short. This was supposed to be a short. And we lost $53. Took a full stop on this thing. Didn't recognize that we had put the order in on the wrong side of the ladder. Did not pay attention to it, y'all. This should have been another excellent trade. This should have been another excellent trade. Was getting in a little early coming off this candle. That's like almost an anticipation entry. And I guess I paid for anticipating. And got hammered. Look at that thing. Easily. How many shares we bought on this one? We bought 125. That really should have been 250 because this was going to be a short. You buying half. So that had a 20-cent stop. $0.40 makes it double to 25. $50. What was you thinking on that one? But I think that might have been our only red trade. Let's see. Yeah, look at that foolishness. It's what you straight call tomfoolery. Took a few shorts on the queue. We'll peek at this one real quick. This was a short, playing it heavy off of that area right there. Left money on the table. Getting in as it breaks this point. Stop is going to be here. You give it extra room, you can put it all the way back at the top. Money. Money, 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 money. Who was that? It's the doggone, I think they call the live trader TV or something like that. Money, 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 money. Yeah, this doggone medicine got me a little loopy. Another short. Playing it as it's breaking this area. Really should have waited till it broke that area and gave you some confirmation. But a few dollars. These were kind of like little scalps. You see it went 37. It had went at least 1 R out of the deal, risking 25. How we end up making 16. I don't know. Look at this last one, and then we're going to wrap it up. That was short. Getting in where I say we should have got in the first time. Put the stop up on the back end of that one. Again, little scalp. This was a true scalp right there. As it was turning back up. Look at that again. Max unrealized was 38 on this thing. What we make? 22. Almost got that 1 R out of it. So not bad. Not bad. Not bad for somebody that was under the influence, but hope y'all enjoyed that recap. That was fairly quick since we didn't have to look at some videos today. And got a post-op post-op doctor's appointment in the morning, 9 o'clock. So I might not make market open again tomorrow, but best believe I will be back sitting down once I get in to see if I can extract a few dollars from the market. That's what it's all about. And as a new trader, that's what it's all about, man. Having realistic expectations. I sit in quite a few chat rooms on YouTube, and there are a lot of new traders out there that think they should be doing what some of these other YouTube traders are doing that have been in the market 2, 3, 5+ years. RT has been in the stock market some years. He's young, but he's been in the stock market years now. So it's nothing for him to make $1,000, $2,000 a day. I guess as a new trader, you could do it, but you're going to really be risking. And I'm not in the business of risking. I work too hard for my money. So when you come over here to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream, you're going to see realistic expectations when I take my trades. Risking $50, risking $25. I might get the idea to risk $100 every blue moon, but my trading plan tells me I'm risking $50 until I revise my trading plan. So that's what we got to do. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. If so, please hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. If you do subscribe, hit that notification bell and click all. That way you could be notified when I do my trade recaps. I'll be doing more long-term investing videos. When I first got into day trading, I was gung-ho. I was trying to turn everybody and their mama into day traders. I realized day trading is not for everybody. Day trading is not for everybody. Long-term investing, that's for everybody. Everybody should be long-term investing. It is so easy. It's set it and forget it. It's like microwave. You put your food up in there, press a button, and then you walk away. Long-term investing, same way, especially using M1 Finance. So if you hadn't checked out my long-term investing video, check that one out. Down in the description, you'll see some links to a couple of apps. I am by no means a sponsor of those apps, but they are good apps. M1 Finance is perfect for long-term investing. So on that note, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. Go plop down on that couch for a little while, get me some rest. And y'all have a good evening. Peace.